Having any laugh? Are you getting any laughing? If other people do, why can't you have a little fun? After the honey's in the comb, all the bees go out and play. Even the old gray mare down home has got to have, hey, better have a little fun. You ain't gonna live forever. So while you're young and gay, still okay.
Apparently, this guy was not supporting another fighter. No one has ever congratulated the winner.
This is a lot better than
with dignity.
this. This is very thin.
Volleyball player could not
This
hit
is
the
very
ball and
thick.
just waved her hand, very upset. Just take a
See?
look.
Dalawa yan. Ang cute. This is 17 inches silicone.